Pool is a cue sport or a billiard sport. The object of pool is to pot an object ball by using the cue stick to shoot the white cue ball such that it transfers the net force from the cue ball to the object ball, thereby causing a resultant motion whereby the ball may move, roll, or travel on the table in the direction of the net force. To understand pool, you must note the key terms or words in the definition. Cue ball, object ball, cue stick, shoot, net force, resultant motion, direction. The theory behind the act of playing pool is based on many mathematical and scientific principles. Newton's first law of motion. A body or object remains in its state of rest until it is impacted by an external force or object. Newton's second law of motion. The acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables: the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. Law of relative motion. These laws apply when you are in any reference frame which is moving at a constant velocity with respect to another object. In Newtonian mechanics, on the momentum of an object, the momentum of an object is the product of the mass and the velocity of an object in the direction of the resultant net force acting on the object. Snell's law. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. These laws combined defines the theory of motion during a game of pool. The pool table. Let's look at that. Pool is played on a well-engineered table called the pool table, whose dimensions must meet a predetermined scientific principle or formula of ratio 2:1. Therefore, we have four sizes of pool table: 9 feet, 2.7 meters, 8.5 feet, 2.6 meters, 8 feet, 2.4 meters, and 7 feet, 2.1 meters. The pool table is covered by a cloth-like material called the felt, which are of different quality and color. The felt determines the smoothness or coefficient of friction that defines the motion of the ball on the table. The pocket. All pool tables have 6 holes called pockets, but some have the pockets numbered from 1 to 6. Connecting the pocket and around at the inner side of the table is a triangular-shaped rubber-based material called the cushion, which ensures the ball can effectively bounce around the table whenever they are touched or land against the cushion or hit against the side of the table. The surface of the pool table is divided into 2 separate unequal parts by a line called the back line. On the remaining side of the table is the spot marked with a black mark, where the black 8 ball is placed when racking the table at the beginning of a game. Till next week, we'll bring you another lesson